Hello all, welcome to our channel PlanNest. So here we are going to see house plan with shop. This is like something irregular plot. So in this we made a shop come residential shop in the ground floor. So this is east facing plot, and then shop is available in the northern side. Already there is an old shop and one more shop we added. Both east and north side there is a road. So two shops facing the north side, and in the entrance there is a parking area in the size of 18 feet 6 by 6 feet 6 inches. While entering into the main door, there is a living room 18 feet by 10 feet 9 inches. And then here kitchen is in the northwest corner, which is second option as per Vastu. We kept stove in the east side and fridge in the northwest direction. And then with attached dining is there in the size of 10 feet 9 inches by 8 feet 3 inches. And staircase is in the west side. And then under staircase there is a common toilet 6 feet 6 inches by 4 feet. And in the southwest corner there is a master bedroom the size of 11 feet by 16 feet. As per Vastu, we keep a master bedroom in the southwest corner. Here, main person of the family can stay here. Parents or main person of the your family, they can stay in this master bedroom. And then one small house guest bedroom, or you can use it as a study room also. Is there in the center of south, 11 feet by 6 feet 6 inches. And then kids bedroom is available in the southeast side, 11 feet by 10 feet 9 inches. Actually, this overall built-up area of this plot is like 1,372 square feet. So for master bedroom, there is an attached toilet of 6 feet 6 inches by 5 feet. And then in the upper floor, first floor, built-up area is same like built-up area is 1,125 square feet. We left empty in the shop area, so remaining portion same like ground floor. First floor we kept one more floor for house. This is like duplex. In the first floor there is 3 bedrooms. With one attached toilet and one common toilet. Master bedroom is size is same like ground floor, 11 feet by 16 feet, and attached toilet 6 feet 6 inches by 5 feet, same like ground floor. And then there is a common toilet of 6 feet 6 inches by 4 feet in between the both the bedrooms, and the passage of passage size is 4 feet 9 inches by 4 feet. And then on the guest bedroom size is 11 feet by 13 feet 3 inches. And the kids bedroom size is 10 feet 9 inches by 16 feet. And living room is there. Living room size is 18 feet by 10 feet 9 inches. And some balcony in the size 18 feet by 6 feet 6 inches. Usually we keep bed our head facing towards the south or east, which is better. So here we kept bed head facing south side for both the bedrooms. And then wardrobe we kept in the west wall. Usually we can keep in the south and west wall. We can keep heavy load in these corners. That is good as per Vastu. In toilet commode placement should be either facing south or north. Here one toilet we kept in the facing north and other toilet we kept in facing south. So both are fine. So that's it. This is like a G plus 1 duplex house plan. So If you need more house plans like this, you can check out our website www.houseplansdaily.com and our store website www.houseplans.world. Also, our apps are available in the Play Store. House Plans and Designs Wallpaper app, House Designs and Plans blog app, PlanNest store app, DesignNest ebook app. Four different type of apps are available in Google Play Store. You can check and install it. If anyone needs to learn about Vastu house plans, you can directly contact me. 30 days online courses are running on. So if anyone interested, you can WhatsApp me on this number 99520 So if you like this video, you can please subscribe our channel. You can share and like our videos. For upcoming videos, you will get different types of house plans like this. Even we will show house designs and house elevation interior design ideas. So keep watching. Thanks for watching.